RFID mode and there you can see yourself your storage to launch, and there is TPAD variables, which is contrast bits rows 4, transmit column 4. Define how many pins and columns in your TPAD. There, if your TPAD is bigger, like 8 into 8, then you can use 8 into 8. If 4 into 4, you can use 4 are in there. And there is a variable used for count. Define how many rows and columns there are. Installation pins for keyboards, which is row pins, byte row pins, analog 0 to analog 3, byte column pins 2, 1 and 0. 360 for TPAD, and there reprocess the page, void setup, arduino pin, configure buzzer, pin mode buzzer pin is output, pin mode LED pin is output, green LED is pin output, SG90 set as installed, position at 90 degrees, so servo move 90 degree angle, LCD begin. This case you can change this begin with LCD int, otherwise it give error. LCD serial LCD battle light, so adjust the brightness for SPI interface, SPI bus, and clear screen, LCD clear, void system will first look mode RFID and something like that. LCD also 0 to 0, contrast 0 to 0, LCD print door lock, LCD set 0 to 1, LCD print scan your tab and look for new tab and set like that. These are all tones, so which will delay time is 00. LCD print on touch show contrast 0, LCD print access domain, digital wide buzzer eye, digital wide LED eye, digital 3000 millisecond wait delay, digital wide buzzer low, digital wide buzzer LED low. These are mainly told functions. Your wide bid, you can see yourself. These are told. Then taking this tool on my video description, you can use and only one change, which is remove LCD dot begin with LCD dot int, and then it will upload directly without changing. Also, you need to change a password and password, which is not matter. Main thing is matter, which is we need to change the UID, because UID, every car is own UID, and this is other code which I will use. First, I take one alpha, put this code and then that UID, and then put other then reset arduino and remove all connections, then put the other toad with this first I did start the UID, and this then I re-upload the code, and then I connected the remaining all connections are connected back. First, this software include first SPI.h include MFRC5200.h, which is which is a library of the reader library, rfid reader library, defined SS pin to pin 10, defined reset pin to 9, which is SS and 9 pin of reset and serial chip select pin is connected. These two pins is connected to Arduino 10 and 9. MFRC5200, MFRC5200 SS pin reset pin. Void system void setup. Serial bit 9066. So you can change now. Serial bit 9066 SPI bit MFRC 502 PD int sensor print approach cement your tar to read serial printing void loop. If MFR 5200 to P1C if new tar percentage return. If MFR C522 dot PTC read tar serial return setting letters for bits 1 equals 0 1. These like that serial print FR 5200 UID bits I 10 into 1 0 into 10 serial print MFRC 200 UID bytes I at contrast serial print and something like serial print message. And if here you can see by yourself delay time is 3000 serial printing auto access. And there is a one circuit in this website, all told in video description. There is a tool this circuit which how you can connect pins to pin. So these are VCC to 5 volt, reset to reset, down to down, meso to 12, MOSI to 11, serial line to 13, NS to digital 10, and IRQ is not connected. It is no use. And this circuit in the within overall circuit of this project, which is this circuit, this one. There is IDs are either servo, T-pad, liquid crystal LCD display, and these 3 LEDs and buzzer which I did not add, and these 3 resistors for section for these LEDs. This resistor value is 220 ohm resistor. I did not add these LEDs and buzzer. If you like, you can add them with same load without changing anything. And these are I2C backplane module of the display, I2C interface display driver module, which is come with separately with display. You will need to connect this with this directly by in there is no any marking. You can then one side to other side by showing in the doodle picture. First you can basically put in insert such a way this module into this display. Pins are facing right side of the display, and then these pins will show, these pins are showing top side, facing the top side, and then you can solder it, and these are all the connections. So you how you can use the store. First you can upload the store into the Arduino and open the serial monitor in the Arduino. Then you can put connect your receiver RFID receiver into the your Arduino according to this connection, this configuration, and then you need to open a serial monitor in the software, and when you tag RFID tag, which tag you need to include, you need to know about UID. You can put the tag to a tag reader, and serial monitor spits out a value, the UID value, which you can copy. Then you can save your that at desktop in notepad, and you can put, if you have single Arduino, then you can remove the all the chart then and reinsert the other program code, and then select the other connections, and that time when you upload in the code, you can also mention the put your UID, which UID are you can already extracted with previous setup. That's the setup. This video is and we have next video I can pause.